Apple is once again preparing to redefine the future of smartphone design as fresh rumors from China suggest that the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max are currently being tested with groundbreaking under-display Face ID technology, a massive leap forward that could finally mark the end of the iconic notch that has defined iPhones for years. These flagship models, expected to launch in September 2026, may only feature a single tiny hole punch cutout for the selfie camera, offering users a stunningly seamless front design that mirrors the aesthetic minimalism seen in some of Apple's Android rivals, but with a major difference. While those Android devices often sacrifice security by relying solely on standard front cameras for face unlocking, Apple aims to keep its gold standard 3D face scanning intact, meaning we could soon enjoy a full-screen iPhone experience without compromising the rock-solid biometric protection that Face ID provides. And while the fact that this new under-display tech is still in testing doesn't guarantee its inclusion in the final product, the very possibility is generating waves of excitement among Apple fans and tech enthusiasts alike. Because let's face it, the day we get a no-notch iPhone without losing any of the Face ID magic is the day Apple fully merges style and substance once again. And what makes this rumor even more thrilling is that this innovation isn't just limited to the Pro series, as insiders are claiming that Apple's first ever folding iPhone is also being tested with under-display Face ID, showing us that the company's long-awaited entry into the foldable market may arrive with not only flexible screens, but also futuristic face unlocking embedded right beneath the display. A combo that sounds almost too good to be true, but perfectly in line with Apple's history of playing a long game and only rolling out new tech when it meets their high standards for performance and reliability. And while the iPhone 18 and iPhone 18 Air are expected to stick with the traditional notch, at least for now, this move would give the Pro lineup a truly distinct visual and functional identity, setting it apart in ways that go beyond just camera count or materials used. It's about giving users a front face that's finally free of distractions while keeping the cutting-edge security they trust every day to unlock their devices, authorize payments, and secure personal data. And if this turns out to be true, we're looking at the biggest change in iPhone display design since the launch of the iPhone X in 2017, the very device that introduced a notch in the first place. So in a way, the iPhone 18 Pro could be closing the loop on a nearly decade-long journey by offering a screen experience that is both visually clean and functionally advanced. And just imagine how this would enhance everything from watching videos and playing games to scrolling through apps and browsing the web. It would feel like the future finally arrived in your palm. And knowing Apple, if they're testing this now, it's because they see the potential to deliver something truly polished and reliable. And while the results of these tests remain uncertain, the fact that these developments are even being discussed gives us plenty to look forward to as we inch closer to 2026. Because the marriage of invisible biometric sensors and Apple's famed design language could very well be the next big thing in premium smartphones. And here at TechVerse, we'll be tracking every development, every leak, and every rumor with laser focus, so you stay ahead of the curve. So make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more updates, and stay tuned as we bring you the future of iPhones before anyone else. Because the future isn't just coming, it's already in testing, and it's unfolding right here on TechVerse.